do that wave and make it wave. Do that wave, baby, do that wave. Stand back, make your hands clap, clap like that. Namaste. Do that wave, baby, do that wave and make it wave. Do the wave, baby, do that wave and make it wave. Do that wave, baby, do that wave. Stand back, make your hands clap, clap like that. Hey, hey, how the world unchanged. Even guys like damn this craze. The whole world's in this ugly place. We just need some Faby makeup, make it pretty again. So me and my little homies like she.
To start with the tutorial, first I'm taking this orange concealer to color correct my dark circles. And I'm taking this foundation. This shade is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but I'm gonna cover up with the contouring. This year we won't be celebrating Eid the way we used to, but कोई नहीं, घर पे फैमिली के साथ रेडी होके अच्छे से हम ईद सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. Next, I'm taking this concealer to highlight my under eye, the bridge of my nose and my chin. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is very important. Now I'm going to bake with this banana powder. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Anastasia dip brow in shade dark brown. I'm going to fill my scanty eyebrows. For the eyeshadow, I'm taking this Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. First, I'll be applying the lightest brown shade as my transition shade, and then later on I'm going to darken the outer corner with the dark brown eyeshadow. For the inner half of my lid, I've taken the lightest shade from the palette and I am just going to dab it on just to my inner half, as you can see. And now my favorite part, that is glitter. I have applied a very thin layer of golden glitter. I'm darkening up the lash line area with a black eyeshadow just to give that full smoky effect. And we are done with the eye look. Now I am going to apply the blush, the highlighter and the lipstick to complete the whole look. Great, I'm back with an Eid look. और ये look मैंने एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट पे सोचा कि मैं क्रिएट करती हूँ ईद लुक, और फाइनली मैंने आज बना लिया था कि कल मैं अपलोड कर सकूँ. तो रात का 2:30 बज रहा है और ये मुझे 12 बजे अपलोड करनी किसी भी हालत में चाहिए. वीडियो एडिट करना है, उसका थंबनेल एडिट करना और फिर इंशाल्लाह कल अपलोड करना है. तो आई होप आपको ये लुक पसंद आएगा. प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन अगर आपको ये पसंद आया और नेक्स्ट आप क्या देखना पसंद करेंगे ऑन माई चैनल. So please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.